when you speak it out loud, it forms another.
Good morning, guys. I don't have any makeup on, so excuse that. I got up bright and early this morning and I put up dishes, I emptied the dryer, what else did I do? I made coffee. So I was up way early this morning, took out the garbages downstairs, you know, the stuff that you got to do every day, and had coffee with Ronnie. Had breakfast this morning already, and now I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I thought I would film a day in a life video for you guys. All right, we just made it home from the gym, and this man is getting a haircut. Can you believe?
Yes, and I tell you what, it's my hair grows so fast, baby, that it's only been
I think it's all that good food I feed you.
I'm telling you, it just it makes it grow.
But you know, he's got to love me to trust me. We're going in, doctor.
I'm ready, baby.
All right, there he is, all done.
Well, I tell you what, baby, that certainly feels a lot better.
You feel lighter? You got lighter head?
Oh, yeah. And thank you so much, sweetheart.
Oh, you're welcome. You go upstairs and take a shower and get all this excess off of you, and I'll roll this up. This is dinner time, and I'm warming up my potato and spinach, and it has hot sausage in it. It's really, really good. And so I just added just a wee little bit more cream and some red pepper flakes to give it a little bit more heat. It didn't quite have that heat I was looking for the first go around. And I am frying up some bacon to break up in it to give it a little more flavor. And I also have some fish fillets in there. I'm going to make some fish sandwich to go with the soup, and that is going to be dinner tonight. Okay, so my dear friend Emma just stopped by, and I'm wanting some new curtains up here. This is my, this is my sink area, and I haven't ironed these. They're going to get ironed. Definitely need it. But honest opinion, what do you think? I love this shade of green. I don't know if it's necessarily coming off in the picture. And I love these. Now, note, I am living in a very old, very country, rustic house. And so I'm kind of trying to stick with like that country feel in this house the best that I can, because, you know, you can't beat it. So, you know, you embrace it. So these need to be ironed, but tell me, guys, what do you all think? Do you like them here? This is gonna go. Okay, this is an old paper towel thing. That's gonna go. So tell me what you think about the curtains. I like them personally. I like the fact that they covered the entire window, but they are slightly sheer, so the sun can peek through a bit without being blinding. That is what I like about these. So you guys let me know what you think. I think I'm going to keep them. And I think I'm going to take them down. It is a job because this is deep. And climbing on a chair, I actually had to sit on the counter to get into that window. And it was a job and a half. And I'm kind of a little bit scared to do it while I'm here just with Ronnie, because what if I would fall or something. Anyhow, but I do like them. I think I'm going to iron them, and I think that is going to be it for that. She said that she thought she had another set of panels, and I'm going to do the door. I have a door in here. I'll show you just a second. Okay, this is the kitchen door. So we used to have this, and then we had a valance that was the, what do you call him? The Fat Chef. But that's not really my style. So I have this one more valance right here. And I think if she could get me a panel and I could put the valance on the top, I think that the door will be done and it would all match. She also brought me these. I thought these were really cute. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think? Where do you think I should put them? I mean, I've got this wall here. And excuse the look of the cabinets. They have not been cleaned. The paint job's not done, so no judging. I thought about right there. We could hang them in there. I also have this wall here, but I was actually thinking about getting me a really big clock for this area. We had a small one that belongs to them, but it wasn't really my style, and I thought maybe a real pretty just white clock right here so I can know what time it is. But anyways, there's my pantry and my laundry, my new refrigerators right here. So you guys tell me what you guys think. Where do you think I should put it? I like the curtains. I love the color. I like that emerald green color. It's very, very pretty. Anyways, I've got to go upstairs and quit for the day because I'm wore out. Hello everyone, I'm checking in. I just took my bath. I washed my hair. We had a nice day today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this day in a life video. It is about 10 o'clock, I guess probably a little after 10. I'm going to watch some Gilmore Girls and I'm going to go to sleep because 6:30 comes by very, very early in the morning. And so I have my ride comes and picks me up tomorrow morning at 11. So I need to get a few things done in the morning before she arrives. And so, yeah, so we're watching some murder mysteries on TV. Well, he is really. And I'm going to turn Gilmore Girls on my tablet and then I am going to go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I love to have you join in on all the fun. And yeah, so hit the bell so you're notified. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this day in a life video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the curtains downstairs. And yeah, I'm going to go do some shopping tomorrow that needs to get done. I need to get a few things for the house and the kitchen. And we're all out of bread and milk. So that is that. I didn't make the rice pudding because I just ran out of time. I didn't know I was going to get company when I did. And so I may make it in the morning. It depends on how I feel before I leave. But yeah, we'll talk to you guys again soon.